M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we're just going to load up the ADMS5 free programming software. So go to the Yaesu site, I'll put the link in the description, click Files, go down, make sure you've already got the SCU19 driver before you connect the radio, run that, and then run the ADMS software, save that to a file somewhere. It'll give you a zip like this, and then save it to a file, and then once you've got it in a file, we've got it, let's just close this down here, close, just run the zip, and you'll end up with something like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then so all you've got to do now is get the radio into receive and transmit mode. So turn the radio off and turn it back on, using the F menu. So there you are. We turned it on, holding down the F menu, and so if you want to receive what's on the radio, click Get Data from FT5G, and then what you do is, because you're getting it, the radio is sending it, so then you hit send, and it will send the data to the radio. Click OK here, like so. We'll hit send, and then we'll click OK. Maybe we should have clicked OK first, so let's just turn it off and on again. Oh, actually, no, I didn't need to do anything. It just started sending it. So it says timer error, so we'll just do it again. Get data from FT5, click OK, touch the send button. There you go, it's sending it now. You can see the screen goes green. And at the end of it, you end up with a screen similar to what you're seeing now with all my memory channels. So yeah, I hope this helps just to load up the settings of your FT5, and then we'll have a look at when it goes the other way. M0FXB, right, we're going to have a go with the ADMS14 free programming software from Yaesu with an SD card. So go to here, go to Yaesu, download the driver at the bottom, go to File section here, get the driver. Actually, you don't need the driver because you're not using the cable, so forget that idea. Just go straight to the FT5 ADMS14 software, download that, you'll get a zip that looks like this, and just put it in a folder and run this setup.exe. And when that's run, you'll end up with a little opening program like this little one here, right in the middle. Let that run. It might already be open. No. There it is there. Okay. So, that's what we've got on ours already. So, let's take the SD card out of our radio. Now, we've already saved the settings on the SD card, which you do by holding F menu, options. Let's go back. Sorry, SD card, not options. Then backup, look, number 1, F menu, right to SD card, and it will save it. But we've already done that. So really, you should turn the radio off to take the SD card out, just to be on the safe side. We do that. It's a bit fiddly. It will click out. It's quite hard to get. Probably recommend some tweezers. Okay, so we've got the SD card plugged in the PC. Let's see what happens. So we'll go communication. We'll go get data from SD card. We'll click that. We know the SD card's in there. FT5 here. Click memory. Click FT5, backup. Backup data. Yeah, that worked. And then let's just see if we can write to that SD card. So we're going to add a new memory, and we're going to call it on number 23. We're just going to go 145.500. Sorry about the noise in the background. Okay, like so. Leave it off. We'll give it a name, so just slide it across. Like so. Leave all those settings, but we'll give it a name. Here. Let's find the name section. Bank. Oh, you can put it in a bank if you want. I don't really use all this, to be honest. Just going to open that up so I can see where the names go. Right, so I just want to open it a minute. Just work out how to open it. Okay, so the name section is here, so we're just going to put in S20. Okay, we've got that, and now we're going to write that to the SD card. So send data to SD card. Okay, so we're going to click send data. We'll find the SD card again, which is, I think, here. Let's just find it a minute, one sec. Yeah, so the SD card wasn't in properly, so let's do it again. Communications, send data to SD card. And we're going to find that. We're going to go, select it, click save. Yes, we'll click yes. Okay, and then we're going to put it in the radio and see if channel number 23 is now at called S20. So take it out. Get it in the radio. Turn it off to be on the safe side. Okay, that clicked in, just being careful with it. And we have to read the data on the radio. So we go menu, SD card, backup, read from SD. Pushing the F menu button, select OK, tap the screen. We'll let it read, and then we'll see if menu 23 is there. Right, so 23, go menu mode, VM here. Go to 23. There you go, S20, 23. So there you are, reading and sending data using your SD card, using the ADMS 14 free software. The next thing I'm going to test is to see if the FT3D backup file that I've got works. 7.3.